Namaste to you all, my dear students of 3 years degree course, Part 1 Chemistry Honours. I am Dr. Gajendra Prasad Singh, Head and Associate Professor, Department of Chemistry, Jamnilal College, Hajipur, Vaishali. In the previous lecture, we have discussed about isolation of glycerol from spent lye and its synthesis from propylene and also synthesis from carbon and hydrogen. Today, I am going to discuss properties of glycerol. First, we consider physical properties of glycerol. First, glycerol is a colorless, odorless, viscous and hygroscopic liquid having boiling point to 90 degrees Celsius. Second is, it is soluble in water and is sweet in taste. And that the third is, it decomposes at its boiling point. And the fourth physical property, that is on supercooling, gives transparent crystals. Thus, we discussed the physical properties of glycerol. Now, we consider chemical properties. Glycerol has two primary alcoholic groups and one secondary alcoholic group. जैसा कि हम देख रहे हैं ग्लिसरॉल के स्ट्रक्चर से, ग्लिसरॉल में दो प्राइमरी अल्कोहल हैं और एक सेकेंडरी अल्कोहल उपस्थित है. प्राइमरी अल्कोहलिक ग्रुप इज मोर रिएक्टिव देन सेकेंडरी अल्कोहलिक ग्रुप. प्राइमरी अल्कोहल मोर रिएक्टिव है, ज्यादा रिएक्टिव है वनिस्पत की सेकेंडरी अल्कोहलिक ग्रुप से. इस तरह दो तरह के अल्कोहलिक ग्रुप्स की प्रतिक्रियाएं ग्लिसरॉल के साथ प्रायः देखी जाती है. Thus, glycerol shows reactions of the two types of alcoholic groups. Now we come to the first chemical reaction, that is reaction with sodium. At room temperature, glycerol reacts with sodium to form first monosodium glycerolate. At high temperature, it forms disodium glycerolate. सोडियम के साथ ग्लिसरॉल प्रतिक्रिया कर सर्वप्रथम मोनोसोडियम ग्लिसरोलेट देता है और उच्च तापक्रम पर प्रतिक्रिया कर यह डाइसोडियम ग्लिसरोलेट देता है. CH2OH bond CHOH bond CH2OH reacts with sodium at room temperature, gives CH2ONA bond CHOH bond CH2OH, and at high temperature it reacts with this monosodium glycerolate, gives disodium glycerolate, that is CH2ONA bond CHOH bond CH2OH. इस प्रकार हम देखते हैं कि ग्लिसरॉल का एक हाइड्रोजन परमाणु सोडियम के एक परमाणु द्वारा सब्स्टिट्यूशन होता है और सब्स्टिट्यूट होकर प्रतिस्थापित होकर मोनोसोडियम ग्लिसरोलेट देता है और इस पुनः एक दूसरा हाइड्रोजन परमाणु जो है वो प्रतिस्थापित होता है सोडियम परमाणु से और डाई सोडियम ग्लिसरोलेट देता है। नाउ सेकेंड रिएक्शन इज रिएक्शन विथ एसिड्स। हम सर्वप्रथम एसिटिक एसिड, एसिटाइल क्लोराइड, एसिटिक एनहाइड्राइड के साथ इसकी प्रतिक्रिया पर विचार करते हैं। रिएक्शन विथ एसिड्स, फर्स्ट with acetic acid, acetyl chloride and acetic anhydride. It forms three series of esters. Now we come to first chemical reaction with acetic acid. It reacts with acetic acid, gives glycerol monoacetate, and this glycerol monoacetate reacts with the second molecule of acetic acid, gives glycerol diacetate, and this glycerol diacetate reacts with the another acetic acid molecule to give glycerol triacetate. That means CH2OH bond CHOH bond CH2OH plus CH3COOH. We get CH2 OOCCS3 bond CHOH bond CH2OH, and this reacts with CH3COOH gives CH2 bond OOC CS3 bond CHOH bond CH2 bond OOC CS3 and H2. And this glycerol diacetate reacts with third molecule, gives CH2OOCCS3 bond CH bond OOCCS3 bond CH2OOCCS3 and water. This is about the reaction with acetic acid. Now we consider second reaction, that is reaction with acetyl chloride, that is CH3COCl. Glycerol reacts with acetyl chloride, gives first glycerol monoacetate, and this glycerol monoacetate reacts with another molecule of acetyl chloride, gives glycerol diacetate, and this glycerol diacetate reacts with another molecule of acetyl chloride, gives glycerol triacetate. Chemical equation can be seen: CH2OH bond CHOH bond CH2OH. This is glycerol reacts with CH3COCl. This means the primary alcohol group OH, H of the primary alcohol CH2OH group reacts with chlorine atom of acetyl chloride and thus form HCl, and the main product, that is CH2O bond CO double bond O CS3 bond CHOH bond CH2OH, that is glycerol monoacetate is obtained. And this glycerol monoacetate, that is CH2O bond C double bond O bond CS3 bond CHOH bond CH2OH reacts with CH3COCl, gives CH2 bond O bond CO bond CS3 bond CHOH bond CH2O C double bond O bond CH3 glycerol diacetate. And this glycerol diacetate reacts with CH3COCl. That means the secondary alcohol, that is CHOH, hydrogen atom of secondary alcohol reacts with the chlorine atom of acetyl chloride, forms HCl, and the final product glycerol triacetate, that is CH2 bond double OCCS3 bond CHOCO bond CS3 bond CH2 bond O, bond CO, bond CS3 is obtained. Now the third is reaction with acetic anhydride. Glycerol reacts with acetic anhydride, gives glycerol monoacetate, and this glycerol monoacetate reacts with the another molecule of acetic anhydride, gives glycerol diacetate, and this glycerol diacetate reacts with another molecule of acetic anhydride, gives glycerol triacetate. Chemical equation can be seen: CH2OH bond CHOH bond CH2 plus CS3 bond CO bond O C bond CO bond CH3 gives CH2OOC CS3 bond CHOH bond CH2OH. Here the primary alcohol CH2 group, that is the H atom of primary alcohol CH2OH, is substituted by acetyl group, that is acetate group, that is CS3CO acetyl group. Thus acetic anhydride reacts with glycerol to give glycerol monoacetate. Now this glycerol monoacetate reacts with acetic anhydride, gives CH2 COOC CS3 bond CHOH bond CH2OOC CS3, and this reacts with acetic anhydride again, CS3CO whole to O, gives CH2OOC CS3 bond CHOOC CS3 bond CH2OOC CS3, glycerol triacetate. Formation of triacetate by glycerol shows that it has 3 hydroxyl groups present in the molecule. This is about the reaction with acids. Next will be discussed in the next audio class. Thank you.